Sweet. Okay, so I'm Stephanie Bendrock, and I am here to give you some pro tips for having the most productive week. All right, tell me if you have already planned this week and what you have going on. So the first thing that I always do, the first thing that I guess the whole reason that this system works for me is because I have to brain dump. Do you know what I mean? You have all these thoughts swimming in your head and you just need to get them on paper. That is the most important thing. If you can get them on paper, you can get them out of your head and you don't have to think about them again. You don't have to worry about it. It is the most freeing feeling to be able to just put it on paper. So that is why that's kind of how I've designed my planner, is so that you have a place to brain dump every single week. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. You can tell I already did my brain dumping. Usually I do planning sessions with you, but I'm going to kind of just give you what it kind of looks like and give you kind of an overview, and then you can go do it on your own. So for this week, this is just, again, your massive brain dump. So I've got my personal, all my personal things that I want to accomplish. Then I've got all my home and family things. And then I've got my business things that I want to accomplish. And these are just things that I'm oh my gosh, every single week. I just need to put it out there. Then I have a church responsibility that I need to put out there. I have a lash bash that I'm setting up for Lashes for Hope. It's for cancer victims. So if anybody's interested, let me know. It's for cancer victims, and they're trying, sometimes they can't pay their bills, sometimes they can't. It's people that are trying to pay for things, childcare and things that they just get. I know my little niece had cancer. It's a long story, but basically she had cancer. She spent 270 days in the hospital. It was the most trying thing that I think I've probably ever been through. And then so this is a spot for other things that you want to fill in, okay? So your things that matter to you, maybe you need to break down your business goals into something that's a little bit more specific for you. So whatever that is, whatever that looks like for you. And that's why there's the four pillars, I guess, if you will, with the personal / spiritual, family / home, then your business, and then 3 other things where you can brain dump what you need. Okay, I actually put down here a reward that I'm going to reward myself when I get this whole week done, because it's crazy. Here is your goals and then your action steps to achieve that goal, specifically for this week. So think about it. If you are doing this every single week, how much can you get done? Holy cow. Holy cow. And then this is for all the things that you want to establish a habit. So maybe you want to establish a habit of reading a self-help book or something. Or maybe you want to establish just a habit of making your bed, or doing reach outs to somebody. Anyways, this is where you can literally put in your habits and track them. There's 30 days. So you can put in your habits and track your habits, okay? So this is kind of what my week looks like planned out. And then I actually time blocked everything for today. This is my today. This is my to-do list today. But it's not just a to-do list. It's literally you've got your home, or your spiritual and your personal. You've got your family and home. I have to go figure out my auto glass. I got to get my windshield replaced, and all kinds of stuff. This is where the home and family thing goes into, right? And then if you've heard me talk about this before, Takara, this is my planner that I used network marketing as my because that's what I do and what I've been doing for the last 6 months. And so I use this to structure my life and my business. And anyway, so it totally works. But so you need to have 4 things: some customer acquisition, you need to have customer support, you need to have team member acquisition, you need to have team member support. So this is on a daily thing, okay? And then you just take all this stuff, and this is what's so great about this system, is that you just take all this stuff, and see, I kind of crossed it out already. It's not that it's done, it's that you get to now put it into your planner, right? And so you need that. No, but I can sure help you plan your life. I'm not going to plan your life, but see? So I took those things that I needed to accomplish, my big master list, and this is Tuesday. So I'm still, I've got like things that I took from that master list and I put it right here in this thing. You will have the most productive week of your life. I promise. I promise. You should go to my planner or to my website, Takara. It's called haveitallplanner.com. Like just one word, haveitallplanner.com. Grab it and I will help you plan your life. For reals. And it's beautiful. Look how pretty it is. It's got some bling because I need some bling, and it's perfect. It's a perfect size, but look how much room you have. Like, yep, haveitallplanner.com. Yep. So look how much room you have for everything, you guys. That was the thing that ticked me off the most about planners. I could not find a planner that literally gave me enough room to put everything in it. You know what I mean? I couldn't find one. There wasn't one. So I created it because I'm a graphic designer. So I created it. It's taken me just 20 years. No big deal. But I finally got it out. So now it's in a book format. And this is what you'll get when you get my planner. So, and then there's also the dinner prep, right? Here, dinner prep, breakfast, lunch, and what's for dinner, and then grocery and notes on the side. So hopefully, because I am trying to get even more organized, I won't have to go to the store 15 times during the week. I only have to go 1 time because I've got my little list right here. And today I crossed out like 1, 2, 3 hours, because I'll tell you the biggest thing that I have done, hi Michelle, the biggest thing that I've done that has helped me immensely is meal prepping. Now, obviously, if you are, working full time, you might not be able to do that. But for me, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and so I can take, 3 hours or whatever meal prep. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a meeting in about 30 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to come home and I'm going to meal prep for the rest of the week. So I just have like all my chicken and everything defrosting right now. So Monday is kind of my meal prep, and I kind of wish my kids were home to help me, because first of all, they learn, right? They learn how to cook and everything, but they're home with me to help me. So anyway, I'm telling you, this is an organized life right here. It looks like total chaos, but at least it's out of my head and on paper. And then because it is, I can literally go in. So like say I'm having to, like today, I needed to set up a lash bash. Well, I just went straight from here. And then I'm like, okay, I know that I need to set up my group. I need to create an invite. I need to invite people. I need to set up my posts. Like, right? Just break it down easier. And then stick that into your day, and that's when it gets done. That's when it gets accomplished. So those are my tidbits for your week. Start with a master list, and then put everything in the master list all throughout your week. And you will be amazed with how much you get done in that week. It's crazy cool. Crazy cool. So anyway, Thank you guys for watching. See, I did that, and now I'm off to another thing. That's what I'm doing today. And if you do want this planner, it's absolutely beautiful. You can put it in your purse. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it is $60. It comes right to your door, and you can get it at haveitallplanner.com because you can have it all. You can have your business and you can be a mom. You can be successful at both and you can have it all. All right. Have a great day. Bye.